Hello everyone, welcome to this week's check-in. Hope you're doing well. I think so far people are doing excellent in this course, and I appreciate the hard work that you put into maintaining your work every week. So as we jump in, we're in week 7, Professional Societies and Leadership. This is my favorite week. You get to talk about what I do on a daily basis. So leadership is really important, especially on the level of healthcare management, right? So even as a healthcare individual that practices medicine or is a clinical person in a clinical setting, you're going to have a really important role in defining leadership for your patients and then for your team members. So be sure to watch all the videos, do the work related to the information that's in here. You don't have any assignment this week with the exception of a leadership survey. So this leadership survey is just a completion thing. So go through it and answer the questions and just kind of seeing where you're at and your capacity for leadership. So take a look at the videos. Lots of great videos by some interesting leaders. We have Simon Sinek, David Marquet, and then of course my information that I uploaded. But I think overall you'll get a lot out of this chapter. Remember to continue to work on your APA research assignment. If you have any questions, email me. Many of you have. Many of you already really completed the topic, so that's great. And I appreciate you working ahead of schedule, but that is due later in the semester. Reach out if you have any questions, and I appreciate everything that you're doing to be successful in this class. Thanks so much.